Fred, you know how I said I wouldn't go on another adventure? That was a lie. We're gonna go searching for the legendary dog beast. So let's go. So right now we're in its natural habitat. It's a nocturnal animal, so we're gonna need to be very careful right now. What is that? Okay, everyone. Oh my God, there he is. Oh God, run away! Go, 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 go! Ah! Okay, oh no, it's following us! It's following us! Run! No, 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 no. Ah! Oh my God! Oh, it's chasing me! It's chasing us! Oh, ah! We're gonna die today! Cameraman! Cameraman! Fred! 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 Oh my God! Fred! You can't leave me behind! Dog beast. He got us. We're dead. We're dying. He got us. I think we lost it. I think we lost him. Let's watch it. Okay. Let's zoom in. It's right there. Oh my God! Here it is, right here. Fred, run! This legendary dog beast. Uh-oh. Face off. Nope. Psych! Run! Ah! Ah! Okay, I think we lost him. Okay, guys. Okay, this time we're gonna try to catch him. Let's not be scared at all. Okay, it's approaching us. Uh-oh. It's okay, little buddy. Oh, we got him. I think we got him. Oh no, he's biting me. Ah, ah. Okay, we just tried to catch it. We just tried to catch the thing. It about ate my head off. So we need to get back to the car, like right now. Oh my God, this thing is so dangerous. Back to home base. We're going back to home base. Alright, I think this is where we end our adventure. See you in the next video.